At least you won't melt. So is there a spare one? Presumably not. Although this one says missing grubs.
Well, what we've got here is a monitor stack. These are the frames that hold all the monitors for the feed to come from the camera and also the main transmit picture. What I'm trying to do at the moment is putting the frames together, and we've got speedy frame plus various adapters, and these all screw and bolt together to provide the framing for the monitors. Also, in the space between them there's a tray that the monitors sit on to hold them securely, not also when they're in transport, but also when they're in use.
Yeah, it's damn hot.
Spitting weather.
Yes. Good idea to put the aircon in the truck. That's how I normally speak, see. When I come here,
You have to roughen
I
it
talk
up.
like this, innit?
Is that your telephone?
I'm fitting the rear power locker low voltage lights and some of the power outlet connectors today, because hopefully the actual restored panel, which will go in this area, can be fitted fairly soon. But this is some of the preparatory work that I'm trying to finish today.
In here we've got the monitors, and in this one we've got the sound receiver, and there's another unit going there as well, yet to be determined. So it's coming together, but it's taken a while because of the tolerances in some of the components.